Do you really know what a polymath is? Look, I know you want to learn coding, editing, and chess, but that doesn't make you a polymath. Simply taking a single step into various fields is just learning. To be a polymath, you have to master every single thing you start. Let me give you an example. Why do they call Messi the GOAT? Because he has mastered every aspect of the game. He mastered shooting, passing, dribbling, and speed. He didn't leave a single skill without becoming the best at it. I'm not saying he's a polymath, but whenever he decided to tackle a skill, he fully committed to it and completely mastered it. Look, if you wake up every day just scrolling through your phone, seeing one person tell you to learn drawing and another telling you to learn a language, you'll end the day having accomplished nothing. Think about it carefully. I'll ask you one last question. Do you really want to be a polymath?